What's up, guys? Today we have a video. It's been a while since I uploaded anything, and this isn't technically what I really wanted to upload, but I kind of made a deal with someone, so we're gonna have to do this. Today we're gonna be unboxing the LEGO Brickheadz Thanos. I got it as a Christmas gift from my good old pal Tina, and she wanted me to make this video, so it's the whole purpose of this video. It has the different characters you can get on the back. The top is kind of messed up. I think I ripped it in excitement or something. I don't remember exactly what happened to it. And yeah, so this is from the Infinity War movie, and yeah, let's get to this. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. I actually don't know how you're supposed to open this. I'm just gonna use the hole that's on the top, and well, it's quite unfortunate because it's not coming out. And there's a hole. I'm an intellect, trust. There's parts in there. So hope everyone's doing well. This will probably be the last video I upload for a long time because I usually use this account just as a joke. And yeah, so here's the parts. I'm going to dump them out. And close the box up. Oh well, it reopened. That's unfortunate. Okay, there we go. So there it is in the back. We got 2 bags of parts in this instruction booklet. What kind of? Okay. So it's like this, but then you open it like this. Don't know who designed it. We got a little square plate, and what we use as the base, I think. Yeah, on the base, on the back, it shows the base. And yeah, so we're gonna cut to a time lapse, and I'll see you guys after. And here we have the finished LEGO Brickheadz Thanos. He's got some googly eyes. There's a lot of smooth pieces on this, which makes sense because, it's kind of bald. I like that they printed these 2, or these 3, instead of making them stickers, because that would have been a pain to put on. The arms are, I like that you can move the arms. It adds some functionality to the figure. Other than that, it's a pretty simple put together. It takes about, I don't know, 5 or some minutes. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and time lapse and miniature review. And I'll see you guys in the next video if there's another one. Peace.